So for the upcoming winter season, these Amana PTAC units, we've got probably about 150 on the property I work on. If you're 99.9% of the time, if you're not getting heat to the unit, it's your motherboard. There'll be a relay kind of right in here, three over. Look for cooked wires, pull the board off, and if it looks fried underneath, 99% of the time, that's why you're not getting consistent heat. New motherboard is needed for that. Sometimes, even when you don't see visible damage, that's the first thing I'd start with, besides a reset. You can find it online. Just get it to this mode, turn it off, hold the heat and cool, hold it down, turn it back on, and when you get that red light back on, you release your heat and cool. That resets. This will show to 74. You can try a test then. There's a cycle test online. It escapes me, but if you Google it, it'll run through all the cycles. If you're hearing a hum, consistent like electrical hum from the machine, every time I hear that, it's a bad transformer. Replace your transformer. We run 230. You can see right there. Replace your common, your 230, and those two black wires, they all go to your motherboard. So just some Amana tricks of the trade. So hope that helps.